Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain is long read store scam, and in this video I'll also help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. In case guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular site, guys. You can take a look here, and this site is an online website that is dealing with various backpacks, briefcases and wallets. Apart from that, guys, the US or United States citizens are looking forward about the legitimacy of this particular website. So talking about the payment information, you can take a look at that. Payment method icons are available at the bottom of the web page, including PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, JCB, and American Express. And in the FAQ section, they have provided the payment info and mentioned that they accept PayPal credit card, including Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express debit card or e-check as well. So this was the payment info, guys. Now coming to the shipping policy of this particular website. In the shipping policy page, they have provided the shipping duration, which is international delivery will take around 7 to 15 business days, and after processing and leaving the warehouse, the items will arrive between 10 to 20 business days. So this was the delivery information, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But talking about the domain information, it was created on 14th of March 2021. It means that, guys, this site is 17 days old website, so we can't claim this site legit on the basis of its domain age. So let's explore the entire information related to the business by visiting the About Us information. This is the About Us page, guys. They have provided duplicate copied content in the About Us page, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, no info is available regarding business establishment here, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. Now coming to the contact details of this particular website, you can take a look that they have provided the email address which matches with the domain name, which is a positive sign, but they have provided suspicious contact details including official address and contact number. So this is also one of the biggest characteristics of a scam website, guys. So you need to be aware regarding the contact details before making any online purchase or before ordering something. Now coming to the social media presence of this particular site, guys, this site has no social media presence at all, which is again a red high alert. Apart from that, in the context of return policy, let's check out the return policy of the site. So this is of 30 days return policy, guys. So do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And when it comes to the long read store reviews, no reviews are available regarding this site on other platforms and on internet or on the official website as well, which is our red high alert, guys. So the low trust index score of the site, which is 2%, defines that the site is not much popular online. This site comes with an unknown trustworthiness score. Apart from that, the site has low traffic as well, guys. And this particular online site has used the content of other websites, which is again a negative sign and a characteristic of a scam website. So guys, in the final conclusion, we would say this website appears to be a scam website. You should stay away from such type of suspicious or scam websites. For money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.